Today we are at Kerr Reservoir Dam và mỗi ít camping về khỏi chơi về nó. It is located in Wilkesboro in North Carolina. This campground here is called Bandits Roost. This is about the 5th or 6th time that it is very beautiful. It is wooded and it is managed by the Army Corps, and so and they're very friendly. If you ever want to camp in North Carolina, this is one of the good locations. It's up in the mountains, so town bay. Site number 63. If you ever want to come here, it is Campground A and site number 63, and it is a very private site. As you can see, we are alone on this road, and we have this area here. So you're needing to camping more privacy. This is a very good site, site number 63, and so you're needing to this is a very good site. We will try and reserve it every time we come. Another favorite spot of ours is number 7. It's on the other side of the campground, but tomorrow but this is very beautiful here. I love waking up to the sound of water, and this is just so serene. We have all this to ourselves. Because sites up and above the so if you like to be kind of out in the woods but still have the access of lights and everything else and just some privacy, some time alone, number 63.